Today I'm going to be checking out this Melin brand baseball cap, and I'll be letting you guys know if it really lives up to the hype. Hey, what's going on, guys? I'm Tony with Style 45. If you're new to the channel, welcome. It's good to have you here. If you've seen our videos before, it's good to have you back. So let me get this out of the way right now. If you're not the type of person that's willing to spend $70 on a baseball cap, you can stop watching the video right now. But for the rest of you, I'm going to go over a quick backstory on how I became familiar with the Melin brand line of baseball caps. If you've seen our How to Clean a Baseball Cap the Right Way video, you already know I own many caps. I'm a cap collector and I'm a stickler when it comes to keeping them clean and looking like new, free from stains, sweat stains, or any deformation due to the cleaning process. So from that video, I got many messages from subscribers and non-subscribers alike suggesting that I check out the Melin brand line of baseball caps. And in those messages, people claim these caps to be indestructible, but what really caught my ear was the fact that people were also claiming that these caps were sweat stain proof. Melin doesn't quite make that claim, but they do claim these caps to be a lot of things. So I'll be going over the features and technology that Melin says are in these caps, and then I'll be letting you guys know why I spent $70 on a Melin Odyssey stacked hydro cap. So let's get into the features and technology that Melin says are in these caps. So first off, Melin says these caps are water friendly, and by water friendly, I'm assuming they're either water resistant or water repellent. They're floatable, which is great for you guys that are into water sports. They're lightweight, which on this particular model, I don't find it to be all that lightweight. As a matter of fact, I find it a little heavier than a New Era fitted 5950 cap. So when they say lightweight, I'm assuming they're talking about their non-structured crown models. They're durable, antimicrobial, they have a moisture wicking lining, a hidden pocket, and they're breathable. I've been wearing this cap every day now for the last few weeks with mild episodes of sweating, and I haven't seen any sweat stains or any funky smells. So what I wanted to do, I really wanted to put this cap through its paces to see if it really was sweat stain proof. So I took it to the gym, got it nice and sweaty, brought it home, let it dry overnight, and to my surprise, no sweat stains. But I couldn't leave well enough alone, so I took it to the gym for a second time, and I was shocked how it fared the second time I took it to the gym. But before I show you how the cap looked after the second time I took it to the gym, I just want to go over my initial impression of these caps. So when I seen these Melin caps in the store from a short distance, I could already tell they were made with high quality premium materials. And when I held this cap in my hand, it felt like a high quality premium cap. And believe me, if this cap looked cheap or felt cheap, I would definitely not have spent $70 on it just to do a review. But with all its features and technology, there was two things that really stood out to me about this cap, and that is how rigid the bill and the crown are. This particular model, the Odyssey stacked hydro cap, comes with a pre-curved bill. And to be honest with you, I don't think you're going to be able to bend the bill back straight or curve it any more than it already is very easily. Like I said, it's pretty rigid. But in my opinion, Melin got the curve just right. It doesn't interfere with my vision, and more importantly, it doesn't press down on my glasses like some of my other caps do. And there's other features to these caps that I think are pretty impressive, like them coming in multiple sizes, which is pretty rare for a snapback, the hidden pocket, or the rubber piece under the bill that helps you avoid any greasy thumbprints. And that rubber piece is placed just right. I don't even notice it, and my thumb automatically lands there every time I go to take off my cap. And it's details like this that I think most cap enthusiasts will appreciate. So now I'm gonna show you guys how this cap looked after the second time I took it to the gym. I know it don't look so great, so I had to wash it. And I washed it the way I wash all my other baseball caps. You guys could check out the video right here if you're interested. So this is what the cap looked like after I washed it. Brand new. So, are these Melin caps sweat stain proof? I would have to say no, but I do think they're everything else Melin claims them to be, and I'm not affiliated with Melin in any way. I just think they have a great product. As a matter of fact, I like this cap so much, I'm really thinking about going out and buying another one this coming weekend. So if you own one of these caps, let me know in the comment section down below if you really think they're worth 70 bucks, or if you don't own one and you have further questions, leave those questions in the comment section down below. I'll be sure to answer them. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, and I'll see you soon.